ABX Engineering is a full-service turnkey EMS provider of printed circuit board assemblies, both surface mount and through-hole, electromechanical and cable assemblies that meet the highest standards for quality, on-time delivery, and value. As an electronic manufacturing service provider, ABX offers product fulfillment, materials management, product testing, conformal coding, pack-out, drop ship, and repair depot services. ABX delivers the experience, quality, and value that businesses require to successfully manage their product costs and demands through the entire product life cycle. At ABX, we help companies achieve their business objectives and to improve their bottom line by achieving a 99.7% customer acceptance rate, an on-time delivery performance of greater than 95%, and certifications including ISO 9001, 2015, ISO 13485, 2016, AS9100D, ITAR, and TUV. ABX Engineering's comprehensive metrics track a variety of key performance indicators, including customer feedback and satisfaction data. This data is used to drive root cause analysis and continuous improvement programs to ensure consistent quality for ABX customers. ABX Engineering understands time-to-market constraints for new product introductions and the need for timely delivery of quality products. ABX Engineering materials sourcing expertise protects against counterfeiting of parts, delays caused by product obsolescence, and highlights potential long lead times and potential future component obsolescence issues for materials sourced from franchise distribution and ABX gray market suppliers. ABX Material Sourcing also leverages a broad network of supply chain partners, both domestic and international, to ensure customers get the best value for every project ABX manages. The ABX project management team builds ongoing relationships with customers to fully understand their product and delivery requirements, shifting priorities and timelines of changing and maturing product lines. In addition to our commitment to quality, on-time delivery, and maximum value, ABX Engineering provides the best customer service in the industry. ABX values customer relationships, and every effort is made to help customers succeed every step of the way. With more than 30 years of experience as a full-service EMS provider, ABX Engineering knows how to meet and adapt to our customers' needs. ABX produces equipment for customers in a variety of major industries, including medical, life sciences, avionics, printing and imaging, military, optical, security, transportation, and more. ABX Engineering Incorporated is proud to be an American-owned company. Manufacturing of all product is performed at our facilities in Burlingame, California, totaling 55,000 square feet, just minutes away from the San Francisco airport. We invite you to contact us today to learn how ABX Engineering can take your electronics manufacturing and your business to the next level.